And push back.
But if they stay this
It's raining.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Delta Airlines Flight number 2 with non-stop service to New York's John F. Kennedy International Airport. Captain Rob McKenzie is in command of the aircraft. He's assisted by First Officers Molly Curland and Sergio Zamora. They advise that their flight time once airborne will be 6 hours and 54 minutes. They'll give you more details of their flight plans once their duties permit. My name is Christopher. I'm the purser on today's flight. The purser in the main cabin is Kimberly, along with 7 other New York-based flight attendants. We're going to do everything we can to make sure you have a great flight to New York today. If you would direct your attention to the monitors of the aircraft as we identify the safety features of this Boeing 767. Thank you for choosing Delta and welcome aboard.
I thought, what is this going to mean for my future? Am I going to be here to see my daughter?